Do you want softer, fresher smelling laundry without artificial fragrances or expensive products? Today, I'll show you how to make your own all-natural laundry crystals in just a few minutes. To make all-natural laundry crystals, you'll need 1 cup Epsom salts, 10 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil, a mixing bowl, a spoon, and a glass jar for storage. Add 1 tablespoon of your homemade laundry crystals to each load of laundry. The Epsom salts can help soften fabrics and water, while essential oils leave your clothes smelling naturally fresh. And that's all there is to it. A simple, affordable, and natural way to freshen your laundry. If you enjoyed this DIY recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy, all-natural cleaning recipes.